Let's see the another neat important question. Arrange the following molecules in decreasing order of bond angle. Okay, these type of questions were asked in 2017, 20 and 2022 NEET questions. So listen carefully. What they gave here, this is the order. They gave the order of the molecules, okay, which is in the decreasing order of bond angle. So what are the molecules they gave? NH3, right? They give the three different types of molecules here: NH3, CH4 and H2O. So here the bond angle is depends on the number of lone pairs around the central atom. Okay, remember this point, number of lone pairs around the central atom. Okay, now the relation between lone pairs and the bond angle is, the bond angle is inversely proportional to the number of lone pairs. So higher the bond angle, smaller the lone pairs. Okay, what is the lone pairs formula? To find the lone pairs, we need to use this formula: valence electrons minus bonding electrons by 2. Okay, valence electrons, bonding electrons or bonding pairs. Okay, so now calculate the lone pairs for these three molecules. Okay, so first go with the NH3. What is the central atom here? Nitrogen is the central atom. So what are the valence electrons of nitrogen? 5, right? And the bonding pairs, there are 3 bonding pairs with nitrogen. Okay, so the bonding pairs are 3. Now calculate. Now substitute with the formula: 5 minus 3 by 2. Valence electrons minus bonding electrons by 2. Okay, 2 by 2. That means 1. So the lone pairs of NH3 is 1. Now see the next molecule. Okay, CH4. What is the central atom of CH4? Carbon is the central atom. Now, how many valence electrons are there in carbon? 4 valence electrons. How many bonding pairs here? 4 bonding pairs with hydrogen, right? So the lone pairs are valence electrons minus bonding electrons by 2, 0. So we got here 0 lone pairs. Now see the last molecule, H2O. What is the central atom of H2O? Oxygen, right? How many valence electrons are there in oxygen? 6 valence electrons, and here the 2 bonding pairs are there with hydrogen. Am I right? So the lone pairs are 6 minus 2 by 2. So the lone pairs are here 2. So now what they gave in question, we need to find out the decreasing order of bond angle. Okay, so that means higher bond angle to lower bond angle. Am I right? So what is the relation between bond angle and lone pairs? Here the inversely proportional. Am I right? So bond angle is here inversely proportional to the lone pairs. So for the decreasing order, you should start with the higher bond angle. Am I right? So it is inversely proportional to the lone pairs. So we need to start the smallest lone pairs. Do you understand what I am telling here? So for decreasing order, we need to start from the higher bond angle to smaller. But in lone pairs, it is opposite, right? Because bond angle is inversely proportional to the lone pairs. That means smallest to larger lone pairs. So Which one is the smallest lone pairs here? 0. 0 lone pairs. Greater than, followed by 1. Then we have 2 lone pairs here. Okay. Now tell the order. Higher, which one has the higher bond angle? CH4, which has the lowest bond angle. Then NH3. Then at last H2O. That's it. What is the correct option? CH4 is greater than NH3. Yeah, and NH3 is greater than H2O. So the option E is correct. Thank you.